everyone, I'm Dr. Celine, a certified LCP doctor. I have been a partner at eClinic for 3 years. Well, joining eClinic has been an exciting and fulfilling chapter in my career. From the start, I was drawn to Drs. E and Carrie's vision and the clinic's dedication to provide personalized, top-notch services in the industry. One of the challenges I faced was navigating the complexity of expanding our services while maintaining the quality and personal touch that we have known for. Balancing innovation with tradition has been a rewarding challenge, and I'm very grateful for the support from our doctors and the incredible team throughout this journey. One of the highlights for me has been the successful launch of our TTDI outlet and how far we have come through these years. Another significant achievement has been the professional growth of our team. We have managed to stay at the forefront of aesthetic medicine while cultivating a supportive team across the group. I'm excited about the future. I see eClinic continue to evolve, embracing new technology and expanding our services. We are committed to fostering a culture of continuous learning and improvement. Like for example, we will put effort to attend some courses on a monthly basis. I'm confident that our team passions and dedication will put us at the forefront of aesthetic industry. Well, my advice would be to stay deeply passionate about your work and always be open to learning. The field of aesthetic medicine is constantly evolving, so it's important to keep up with the latest advancement. Choose a clinic or partner that align with your value and vision for patient care. Building a strong relationship with working with committed team are crucial for success. We are planning some special events at our TTDI outlet to celebrate with our patients. It's a great opportunity to show our appreciation for their support and to reflect on the journey that we have shared. So I'm very looking forward to celebrate this milestone with everyone who has been part of our story. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you all my patients that has been supporting me all this while. Happy 7th anniversary eClinic! Yeah!